Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, go to Settings, then go to Home Screen and Lock Screen, Wallpaper and Style. And now in Lock Screen here, click on Change Wallpaper, and now you can choose a wallpaper from these ones here, or from your photos. So you can go into your photos and choose one from there, but I'm actually gonna choose this one. When you touch on it, you change the preview to lock screen and home screen. You can blur home screen wallpaper, so the lock screen is gonna be like that, and you can blur the home screen, so they are like that. But I'm gonna just click on apply, and you can choose whether you want to apply it to home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm just gonna apply it to lock screen, and now you can see that my home screen is unchanged as it should, but the lock screen is my new wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.